Hello, my people. I greet the four as from Sheboma. My host on a day fine. Now do what on a day help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you now. Without you now, who be me? Yeah. My people, wonder shall never end. Wonder they say it shall never end. Oh, eh? Not when Musa no go see forget to. This video where I go play for una so Now this woman na Sierra Leone woman, okay? Where be say you see her husband for inside chick house. The one will make me dey laugh for inside there. I don't know why some women wey be say if their husband dey with side chick, no, they give they try to put the blame to the side chick. Not be your husband waka go meet the woman. Not be your husband toast am. Even though say the woman even toast your husband, if your husband really like somebody wey be say he care for his wife, he go tell am say I'm a married man. Okay? This woman, he said they be 22 years wey be say they don't marry. Maybe he get wetin the man they see for inside house. Because not be only woman they suffer for husband house. So men still dey wey be say if you see where to run, he go run. He still dey. You understand? If you see where to run, he go run. So this woman now carry camera come the video the husband with the side chick. He said this woman don't collect the husband for your hand. The thing they make me they laugh, because nobody fit collect your husband for your hand. If really, even though say the man go and understand, he get side chick for outside, he must still he must still come meet you for inside house. He must still come stay with you. So women, the way they tell they do, if they make me they fear, if they make their husband they say, oh God, oh just come carry me come off for a year. It's still there because not be everything I be men. So women still there, they're not good. If the man they come, maybe they come from outside, say he want go, if they come from work, if they go house. Oh, he had to go. They make he want go meet a problem woman for inside house. You know? So women they like that, where be say that they give their husband problem, too much problem. When they make the man go, they look for side chick, they go person where go they give and just we might go just dey cool, he go relax, go they get that problem. Say I don't they go house now. My wife go give me headache again. So women, that's what they be because now because of what this woman talk, he said this girl now collect his husband. Now your husband run come up for inside house. I know say some men not still go though. Where be say go get wife, he go they find side chick they go. But man we really know say he has they okay. If they even tell us, if they would go tell you why say they know say your husband get side chick. He go deny for himself. Say he no get to my wife. He no get the one made them spoil us. You know now that one be the man where be say he no want spoil the house. You see the one where be say he even want me you even know self because he don't tire. He no fit again. May we listen to this video. May we just listen. More watch this video. More leave on our opinion. What you think for this video? Because the thing they make me they laugh. More they leave side chick alone because now husband ain't get the waka go the meet them. That's why I see one video where be say woman see husband with a side chick. He carry pepper put for the side chick eye. Why you not put on for your husband eye? You go put on for your husband eye. Person like me now come see my husband with another side chick. I go leave the side chick. I go follow my man. Now the truth of the matter, because you know say you get wife for inside house, you go they follow another person. The side chick, they not get waiting they want, not be then they swear on the house. Because man way no say he get wife, he go maintain himself. Even though say you they do, you know later they see him for your mouth, you know say they talk for Benin language say I make it an area isan no yoga ya for no okba. They know they see dog way not the shop cheat. Now the one we use and tell Robbie man, then they see. Okay? Let me watch this video.
She separated me with my husband, this one. This prostitute you have as a neighbor. This prostitute you have as a neighbor. No shame. This woman has no shame. Chaos. I've been married for 22 years. No, we are not divorced. We are separated. We are not divorced. I left the house. I went to my friend's house. Because of this woman came into my husband's life. Married for 22 years. I have 2 twins. That's not true. Wow. She's lying. He's lying. I don't get you. I listen to the Thomas. I listen to everybody. I put on a Facebook. You're a cheater.
The man say make they go.
You dey go church with girlfriend? You know the shame? And they can't send her to picking them.
Go.
You're 22 years in a marriage. This year, we're not separated. She's cheating on my husband. We are not, we're legally married. We are legally married. It's going on Facebook.
Go.
We are legally married. We are not separated. It's going on Facebook. Shame on you. You trespassing. I want you and Christiana to take me to jail. I want you and Christiana to take me to jail.
You're trespassing.
Yes, you and Christiana, you are not supposed to be in a girlfriend's house.
You are trespassing.
You are legally okay. Trespassing. You take me to court.
She's my acquaintance.
She's not an acquaintance.
You have no right to
She's not an acquaintance.
Go.
She's not an acquaintance.
You're trespassing.
No, you have been abusing me for 22 years.
Yeah.
Now you look what you're doing. You're a cheater. I'm putting it on Facebook.
You are abusing me for 22 years. You there for there. Me, I don't understand though why some women dey desperate like that. More than not vessel. Because when I will hear some words where some women they talk come out, I would they look and say, I've been at the man and they inside abuse. It dey like that too, because not be all women they talk truth too. You know, say some women they talk and make them for the make people they pity them. Some men waiting that they pass through for inside house, not be saying my mind, eh? If they open mouth tell you, you go pity for them well. 22 years you there for inside there, you not come out. I don't understand though. Maybe they listen.
Why are you behind
You
me?
should wait until you legally divorce.
Why are you behind me?
You should wait until you legally divorce.
So are you saying I'm
Yeah.
not having friendship?
No, you should not have a girlfriend. That's a girlfriend. Yes. Christiana have caused a commotion.
My people, once you with your wife una separate, once una separate, the other one free to follow another person, the other one free to follow another person. You don't need to wait for divorce. You understand? As far as say two of una not there together again. Una don't talk and say, okay, after now, may I move on with my life? Because you want wait, make that voice come. Okay? Because like the woman, they try to they tell the man, say, if I wait till divorce, enough you wait in divorce. Una not they live together, una not they live the same house again. Some people still there where be say they don't separate, so they don't move on with their life. But later they'll still come back together. Now, if they like, someday they know they come back. Then the divorce go come. The man no fit come sit down, make they wait, make divorce come, because sometimes the divorce they quit, they come. So depends on the country where it be say on a day. They will listen. Some people just they fool themselves. It's bad.
In your marriage. That's not true. That's not true.
Just the driver,
That's it's going on Facebook. This is going on Facebook right
This
now.
woman go fool himself.
This is going on Facebook. Call police. Okay, call them. Let call police. Let them call police. She's a cheater. I've been married for 22 years. This woman stick on my husband. Stick on now. I'm going to divorce. 22 years of marriage with 2 kids. This Christiana woman. Call. Call the police. Call the police.
22 years.
Look am. You know, no shame. This woman caused a chaos in my home. A chaos in my home. Tell them to call the police. Tell Christiana to call the police. 22 years of marriage. This woman came and separated me and my husband. 22 years of marriage. This woman came and separated me and my husband. Now we are separated. We have 2 twins. She divorced 7 years. She didn't have a man. She didn't have a husband. She separated. Christiana, you know the shame? You can't put 20 years of marriage. Christiana, you know the shame? Christiana, you know the shame? You're not prostitute. You're not 7 years. You don't divorce. You never get man. Now me man, you can't pull them yours. You're not prostitute.
I don't know why be say some women, if they don't separate with their husband, if they see their husband with another woman, the thing go they pain them. You say you there for abuse marriage, okay? Ask you for the happy self, say, thank God, though you don't free. Make the man kukuma carry wahala, they go, make you carry your own go. Why if you say you still carry camera, you they follow and they up and down, they look where they go, where not they go. Una not there get together. Una just they wait for divorce. The man, if he stay for there, say maybe with a woman not there together. As far as say una not they stay again. You dey cry 22 years, 20 best. Some of our women self, una even they cause am. Una they desperate to stay there. Man, they maltreat you, you there for there. I don't understand though. Now everybody must marry. No. Now everybody say, not be everybody the marriage even they good for. Some even they go there low, they go there happy than person where they for inside marriage. Some people there for inside marriage be like say they for inside bondage. You understand? Some people they single, they happy well past the one way they for inside marriage. You just carry camera, go dey fool yourself. This one go fool yourself, my people. As far as say you say una don't separate, say whether the man no fit wait till una divorce, not be under more same or waste. You know go wait.
Prostitute! Ibrahim, you na pimp! Una also na prostitute! Call police! Call police!
She just dey fool herself.
Call police! Call police! You go na the hospital and go call police for me? You go na Christian and hospital and go call police? Call police!
Are you call their
Maybe they will definitely na phone? You say my sister not keep me, man?
I have the right to have friends.
Huh? Not on you? Not on you? Look you!
I have the right to have
Not on you?
You have the right
You want
to
to touch me?
right now.
Hey,
Kenny J!
You can't come out before me!
Kenny J!
You can't come out before me!
Stop.
No,
What you do so what you have to
me, man! You say your sister not keep me, man! You say your sister not keep me, put you in grace!
Sister,
you
you
don't
don't
Put you in
fool
grace!
yourself.
You are not divorced yet!
Okay.
You are not
I have
divorced!
the right to have friends.
It's not
Of
friends,
course.
it's girlfriend,
You have the
it's
right
Christian
to
and
that.
George! It's girlfriend! It's your girlfriend sister! 7 years, your sister don't divorce! 7 years, you don't get man! Now the man in the camp put 22 years of marriage! 22 years of marriage! 22 years of marriage! Lord have mercy, shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! 22 years of marriage! Shame on you!
Say, don't see
You have
happiness. Sister, leave her alone,
no value! No value! He's cheating on me! 22 years of marriage! You're cheating on me! You're cheating on me! 22 years of marriage! You're cheating on me! You're a cheater! You're a cheater! You're a cheater! You're a cheater! 22 years of marriage!
My people, this kind of woman, what you now go call her? I don't understand though. You say you there for abuse. The man don't kukuma move on. He don't even get another girlfriend. Why you can't they shout, you can't they cry? What you can't they beat you? I don't understand some women. The thing still they pay you for inside. I been at the man ain't there for the abuse marriage. Eh? You say me wait till una go divorce. Not beyond that muscle. Nobody, even though say they will work you out because una just to sign the contract may finish. As far as una don't separate una self. Una see this kind of women. Now this kind of women, they can't lie. They too they lie. You say for you there for now that one I vex me. If you there for a abuse marriage, shebi you go there happy. Say you don't come out for there. Thank God though you not there for there again. But no, she carry camera, they follow the man. Wetin they do, wetin not they do. Echo. My people, I better leave una comment. Wetin una think. This one is my opinion. If you don't separate with your husband, you are free to go. It's there for the law. Nobody free can tell you say you see the marriage, you not see the marriage. They go ask una they live together. You go say no. We they wait for divorce. The man is free to do it. He's free. Now so you see free. Maybe with time, maybe when they come to the divorce, they go come ask una. Una one more come back again. The other one will say no. The other one will say no. Una go sign paper. Everybody go. But like this woman now, she dey desperate to stay with the man. The man dey happy now to get another girlfriend. I don't understand though. Everybody get their opinion. Wanna leave an opinion. Help me to share this video. What do you think about this video? What do you watch? What do you listen to? What happen for inside there? 22 years marriage, na truth. But una not there together again. You say make the man wait till now divorce. I don't understand though. Where the right and put? You not there for any corner. Now bye bye for now. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and everyone. Please do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Mama backup page, or Untouchable Mama. Let me get her. Follow me on YouTube, Unto Mama. God bless you for being here. Bye bye for now. See you later.